Chapter 32. The Future is Here. Next Steps. We live in an era of unprecedented change. Artificial intelligence, which seemed like science fiction just yesterday, has now become an integral part of our lives and work. It has changed the rules of the game in freelancing, business, and creative fields, making things possible that were once unimaginable. But technology does not stand still, and what works today may be outdated tomorrow. This concluding chapter is your guide to the future. We will not make precise predictions, but will look at the main vectors of technological development and give practical advice on how to adapt to these changes. Your ability to learn and adapt is the main skill that will protect you from any crises and allow you to look confidently into the future. Understanding future trends will help you stay a step ahead. Multimodal models. While today we work with models that specialize in one thing, text, image, video, in the future they will be multimodal. This means that a single neural network will be able to understand and generate text, images, video, and audio simultaneously. This will significantly simplify the content creation process and open up new opportunities. Automation of creative tasks. Neural networks are already writing texts and creating images. In the future, they will get even better at handling creative tasks, including writing scripts, developing designs, and even creating full-fledged video games. Humans will be left with the role of ideologist, strategist, and final editor. Personalization at scale. Technologies will be able to create content, products, and services that are fully personalized for a specific person. This will change marketing and sales, making them even more effective. In a world where technology is constantly changing, your main asset is not specific skills, but the ability to adapt. Here's what you should focus on to remain an in-demand specialist. First, strategic thinking. Technology will handle the routine, but not strategic planning. The ability to see the big picture, set goals, and make data-driven decisions is what distinguishes a person from an algorithm. How to develop it? Don't just create content, analyze its effectiveness. Don't just launch ads, evaluate their return on investment. Constantly ask yourself, why am I doing this, and what result do I want to get? Second, critical thinking. Today, everyone has access to information, but the ability to verify it is a rare skill. Algorithms can make mistakes, so you must be able to see those errors, check the facts, and be skeptical. How to develop it? Don't take everything the neural network says at face value. Check key facts, analyze different sources, and always use your own common sense. Third, the ability to continually learn. Today, knowledge becomes outdated faster than ever before. If you don't keep learning, you will be left behind. Your main task is to master new technologies and not be afraid to experiment. How to develop it? Dedicate 1 to 2 hours a week to studying new tools and trends. Read articles, watch instructional videos, and subscribe to expert newsletters. Monetization in the new reality. In a world where routine is automated, the value lies in unique human skills and the ability to use technology. Here's how you can monetize your knowledge in this new reality. Selling expertise. You are no longer just a copywriter or designer. You are a specialist who knows how to use technology to solve business problems. Offer services for intelligent consulting. Help businesses implement and use neural networks to optimize their workflows. Training. Create courses and guides that will help others master these skills. Creating scalable products. AI allows you to turn any idea into a product that can be sold to thousands of people. Digital goods. Create and sell templates, guides, and ebooks that solve specific problems. Trading bots and analytical reports. If you have mastered financial analysis and trading, you can sell your strategies or market analysis reports. Conclusion. Technologies will constantly change, but your main asset will remain unchanged: your ability to learn, adapt, and think strategically. This book is not just a collection of instructions, it is your guide to a new reality. We hope it helped you understand that AI is not a threat, but an opportunity, and that the future belongs to those who are ready to create it. You have successfully completed the journey from mastering basic tools to applying them in business, freelancing, and investing. Now you have all the knowledge to not just follow the changes, but to be an active participant in them. Use the capabilities of AI, and the future that once seemed distant will become your reality today.